guys, welcome to my channel. I am The Brown Canvas, and if you have been here before, I'd like to welcome you back. And if this is your first time, I'd like to say hello. Please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you happen to get through today's video or enjoy any of the other videos on my channel. Let's go ahead and let's get into today's video. As you can see, I have some makeup on, and we're going to be going through a quick nose contour. And this is definitely something that I don't do all of the time, but it's something that I enjoy doing whenever I am, getting myself glammed up and I really just want to snatch the nostrils, honey. I'm gonna make this as easy as I possibly can because nose contouring is something that I struggled with for a very long time, and so I just did not do it. And once I really figured out a technique that worked for me, then I definitely gained the confidence that I needed to do it. The brush that I'm using is actually a brush that I picked up. I think this was from Walmart, but it's just a very flat, very flat painter brush. And I'm going to be going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Concealer. It's just two colors, and I'm going to be going in with the lighter shade out of the two. And I don't like to use anything that's too light because we definitely want it to enhance and to look snatched and chiseled, but we don't want it to look too obnoxious. We want it to still look believable. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start down the middle, and that's the reason why I like using this, because it's super flat, so you get a lot of precision with this. So slow like this. And then once I get up to my forehead area, I just kind of like to fan it out. I'm gonna go ahead and start to blend this out. And of course, we gotta have the beauty blender. So I'm gonna go in and start tapping that into the skin. So our goal is to use the dampened beauty blender, the pointiest part of it, to start diffusing that product, okay? And I'm just gonna take the bottom portion, which has a little bit of my foundation, and I'm just gonna start blending out the center portion of my forehead. All right, so as you can see, I have that portion done. And then next part is the most important part, which is we're going to be adding the contour. So, the middle portion right here, we added the lighter color just to give the illusion of the nose being elongated and just giving the illusion of a straighter nose, right? So for the contour, we're gonna add the shadow back in to add a little bit of dimension back in there. For that part, I'm gonna be using my William Tuttle cream foundation. This is very emollient. A little bit of this goes a long way. This is the shade Ebony, and I think that this is the darkest shade that they do have, but I absolutely love this stuff. If you are a dark skinned girl, chocolate girl, and you are looking for a good contour, I would definitely suggest this, because this is what I use 95% of the time when I am contouring. And I'm gonna be taking just a small dome-sized brush, and as you can see, it's just very compact, like dab, and that because it's really a little bit goes a long way. And also because with it being a darker color, you really just kind of want to build as opposed to using too much initially. Make sure you take your time when you do this to line it up right alongside the highlight. I'm starting right here. So as you can see, a little bit goes a long way. You see that? I'm doing like a patting motion basically, and I'm just gonna curve it towards my brow bone area. I'm gonna get a little bit more, like, bam, that's it. That's probably even too much, honestly, but I'm gonna get a little bit more and work on the other side. Just like that, okay? And I'm gonna go back in with that same tiny little domed brush like this, and just gonna start patting. We're doing a patting motion. Next side, same thing, just slowly patting it in. Right down here, I kind of just like to curve it like that. Okay. Next part, I'm gonna go in with a really fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna take this, a little bit of the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm gonna take the darkest shade. I think this is the darkest, yep, this is the Dark to Deep palette. So I'm gonna be taking just a little bit of this contour color on the brush, tapping off that excess because we don't want a lot of it. Just slowly blending, buffing out, okay? Just slowly. Slowly buffing that out right there. And I like just to blend it upwards like this. I'm gonna be using this beauty blender from Real Techniques. Gonna get right here and just, and also I'm setting underneath my eye too. I didn't set my face from my other stuff. So I just like to bring it there like that. And then I'll just take some on the pointiest part and run it right down the middle. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead and brush it out. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, throw some lashes on, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, here it is. This is the contour. I kind of wanted to make it as easy and beginner friendly as possible, but of course, you know, this is not the only way for you to contour your nose. There are a bunch of different ways, and that is the beauty about makeup. You know, you can learn something new literally every day. So if this is a technique that you like, then definitely let me know down below. But I thank you guys so much for watching. If you have gotten through to the end of today's video, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would be more than happy to have you with me on the canvas. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and as always, stay blessed, you guys. Bye.